Mr. Nanda, thank you for your support and your time to visit our showroom. Could you tell us what's the first impression of our company, our team, our service?
Very good impression. I saw you on the Canton Fair, and I had the pleasure to talk with your managing director of sales.
Yes.
And she gave me a very professional feeling, and she was very welcoming. And that's why I wanted to see your factory, your offices. And I'm very impressed with the product you did in all the countries of the world. And I feel we are in good hands with you.
Oh, thank you for your good feedback. Any suggestion for us to improve in the future?
And not really. The presentation was really good, and the products are really nice, and the showroom is wonderful. So I hope we can cooperate together in the future.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Rafael. Is this your first time to China?
Yeah, it's my first time coming to China,
Oh.
Guangzhou especially.
Oh, what's your feeling about China for the food and for the people? For the
I think it's a really wonderful country. The people are really kind here, and I really like the culture and the food and history and the people of here.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for your loving it. So, what do you think of our company?
So I think that your company is doing a really wonderful work, especially because you accept all the people around the world to come and to, I mean, to be able to help them in all the specific regions that they have that they need help, and I think it's really a good thing.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Thank you for your opinion. Because for us, we are warmly welcome for all people different from different country. Because we think we attach great importance in quality. Also, you are our friends. I think if you are happy, you're satisfied with our service, then you will introduce to your friends. Then we will cooperate. We have more chance in the future.
Mm-hmm.
So, any idea, anything you want to know more about China, you can talk to us. I think we will be pleased to help you to know more of our country.
Thank you. We are very pleased to work with you.
Thank you.
I think that we will do many projects in the future. I think it's the big chance for us to
really big chance
to work with you, and we think that there are many projects in which we are going to work together.
Yes. For us, for the kitchen project for this part, we are professional. Also, we also want to know more about your country. I think we have lots chance in the future to cooperate. And I think also you know your client, you know what your people like. So what you want, what's the standard? Then after knowing more of the details, I think we can give you the suitable solutions.
Thank you.